Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to create another backpack, but this time we'll be using HTV. Everything you need will be in the description box below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and join my new group on Facebook, The Penny Pinching Wife.
Alright guys, to begin this project, I'll insert my image that I purchased from diversesvg.com, and then I'll change my dimensions. I want my dimensions to be 6 by 6. And once I change my dimensions, I'll go ahead and ungroup my project so that I can change a few things, such as I want my lips and my skin tone to be the same color. And I don't want that little box right there. So I'll just go ahead and select the skin tone and the lips. And then I'll attach them together. So instead of two separate pieces, they're now one piece. And I don't want this little box right here that he's holding on to. So I'm just going to slice that out. So I'll take a square and I'll unlock it and change the size. Then I'll select both these layers and hit slice. Then I'll delete my extra pieces. And I do want him to have like that little peekaboo image or whatever. So I'll just take another square and unlock it and play around with the shape. And then I'll take these two layers and I'll weld them together. And this is what it'll look like once I put the layers back together. So now that I have that done, I'll just go ahead and add some text. And once I have my text, I'll go ahead and hit make it. And since we're working with HTV, always remember to mirror your image. And when you cut HTV, you put the shiny side down. So once I have everything all cut, I'll go ahead and weed it. And the purple thing on my hand is a nail polish holder that I purchased from Family Dollar, and it was like $2 or $3, and it's a super cute little tool that makes weeding like little small pieces easy. All right, so now that I have everything weeded, I'll go ahead and grab my backpack that I purchased from Walmart, and I'm putting a box in there with the ironing pad on top. And that's just to kind of give me like a hard surface to be able to iron onto. So once I do that, I'll just go ahead and take my mini iron and I'll lay my first layer down. And I'll just go over it several times until the image comes off the transfer backing. And then I'll peel it slowly. And then I'll just do that for every layer, for all the different colors they have. Now, right here at this point, I'm really just concerned with applying enough heat and pressure so that the image comes off the backing. But once I get all my layers down, I'll go over the whole image again and ensure that it's on there properly. And with my mini iron or with your heat press or whatever you want to use, do not apply heat directly to the vinyl because you will melt it. And for my mini iron, I have it on the highest setting, which is 4. And this is the part where I'm just going over the whole thing, making sure that it's adhered correctly to the book bag. And I'm just applying lots of pressure and just going over it over and over and over again. Right, so that's the image, and I'll do the same thing with text, and that's basically how it is for any HTV project. And you'll know that you have your HTV on correctly when you can like see the threading through the vinyl. So if you don't see the threading through the vinyl, you need to add a little more pressure and a little more heat. All right, guys, as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and join my group, the Penny Pinching Wife, on Facebook.